A equals to 540% more than B and B is 0.02% of C. If A is K% of C, what must K equal? So A equals to 540% more than B. So B plus 540% more. 540% of B. That equals to B plus 540% means 540 by 100 of B. So 0 get cancelled. So B plus 54 by 10, 5.4 B. So B plus 5.4 B is 6.4 B. Next, B is 0.02% of C. B equals to 0.02% of C. So 0.02% means by 100 of C. So the denominator 2 zeros are there, so the decimal moves to left side 2 tens. So 0.0002 C. Okay. Next, this is B. Now the question is, if A is K% of C, then what must K equals to? Okay. If A is K% of C, for suppose C, A equals to how much? 6.4 of B, 6.4 B. That equals to 6.4 multiplied with B value how much? 0.0002 C. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So decimal after one number is there, here also decimal after 4 numbers, total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C. A equals to. But the question is K% of C. This number can be written as 0.00128 can be written as 0.00128 can be written as C. 0.128% of C. Okay, now this is also from A equals to K% of C, where K equals to 0.128. See one more time, 0.128%. So 0.128% means by 100. So here 2 zeros are there denominator, so the decimal moves to left side 2 times. So 8 2 1, so 2 times 1, again 2. So both are same. 0.128% is nothing but 0.00128. So 0.128% is nothing but 0.00128. Therefore the value of K is 0.128.